How to restore IMO chats. Lost your IMO chats and wondering how to get them back? Don't worry, you are not alone. It's a super common question and we are here to help you understand how IMO chat works. Before going to the topic, let's open the IMO app. So the key things to remember is IMO primarily stores your chat history right on your device. Unlike some other messaging apps, it doesn't typically offer a direct automatic cloud backup service, especially for your individual chat messages. So what's your first move? If you have recently reinstalled the app or moved to the new phone, the most important step is to log back into your IMO account using your registered phone number. This action will definitely bring back all the contacts, groups, and any recent messages from the groups. But what about those older one-to-one conversations? This is where it gets a little bit different. If the app data on your original device was cleared or not transferred, unfortunately, those specific chat history might not magically reappear after logging in on the new device. If your previous chats are still missing after it, it's usually, have you ever tried logging in again? Often, simply logging back into your account resolves many missing chats issues. If your previous chats are still missing after that, it usually means that they are tied to the local data on your previous installation. While IMO ensures your contacts and groups are always safe and accessible, full individual chat history restoration in the sense of the cloud backup isn't a built-in feature. It's mostly about keeping your current data handy on your device. I hope this video helped to navigate how you can restore IMO chats on your device. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.